The region over the next couple of hours. 55 in Statesville, 59 in Gastonia. Temperatures in the mountains in the low 40s. We're at 42 right now in Boone, 43 in West Jefferson. A couple of extra layers going to be needed walking out the door in the mountains where temperatures are running a good 15 to 20 degrees cooler. For areas near the I-40 stretch, we're about 5 degrees cooler and near those temperatures here from yesterday. Although it does feel cooler. The air is drier. We're not seeing quite as much moisture, which is also why we're not seeing as much fog across the region. Now, as we move through the next couple of hours, breeze out of the northeast about 5 to 10 miles per hour for the Charlotte metro region. By noon, temperatures will be near 70 degrees with highs today topping out in the mid 70s. A good 10 to 15 degrees cooler than yesterday. Yesterday we got into the upper 80s for much of the region. Now, because of all the wet weather that we had with Helene, mold counts still high. So if you're an allergy sufferer, you're trying to get outside, enjoy the nice weather. Not only are we seeing those higher counts of mold, but also weeds are high right now as well. Ragweed and marsh elder, some of the biggest issues that we're seeing. Also, some of those higher concentrations of dock. So if you are suffering from ragweed, we're getting into the thick of the season and not going to see these levels drop until we get that first big freeze of the season. Not going to be happening over the next couple of days, but we are going to see a significant drop in temperature before the week is through. Now today, highs in the mid 70s, refreshing for your outdoor forecast in the mountains. We'll see those temperatures top out in the upper 60s. Sunny skies today, clear skies tonight with temperatures dipping into the upper 40s to low 50s across much of the region, low 40s in the mountains, and a similar forecast playing out tomorrow. Now, we have high pressure in place. That's going to help to block out any sort of wet weather, and it's also going to be keeping these pleasant conditions intact, and it will also be helping to keep Milton far away from the Carolinas. Now, this is a major hurricane, Category 4 storm. It was a Category 5, but it's undergone that eye wall replacement. So we are seeing a bit of a drop here in the intensity, which is normal when we see these eye wall replacements within some of these storms. Now, this eye wall is a little bit larger. That means that wind field has expanded. And although we may see some strengthening within the next 24 hours, right now it's near a Category 5 hurricane. It is going to remain very strong, even as it battles some of that higher shear and dry air as it closes in on the Florida coast. It will remain a major hurricane making landfall near Tampa and west central Florida here along the coast late Wednesday into early Thursday, and it will remain a hurricane as it passes over the center of Florida and off the Atlantic coast by Thursday afternoon. Now, with high pressure over the Carolinas, it will keep Milton far away from us, not going to be curving back towards the north, but we're also going to see that intense pressure gradient here. So the atmosphere trying to get in balance with low pressure to the south, high pressure here over the Carolinas. We're going to see those winds increase for areas south of 85 Wednesday into Thursday. You'll notice it'll get a little gusty, and we're also going to see a drop in temperature once Milton moves off the coast. So we will